Hi, this is Jim Bertoft with Imperva, and today we're going to be answering the question, which agent should I install? Imperva supports a lot of different platforms. We support a lot of different operating systems. We support a lot of different databases. And sometimes it can be tough to know, based on your particular combination, which version, which build, which copy of an agent do I need to install. And we've got two tools that can help you with that. First is the Data Security Coverage tool. We have this available at this URL, and it gives a list of all the databases and the different operating systems that we cover, and you can figure out if your combination is supported by selecting it. You can scroll down and click on them, or you can type it in here. For instance, if I want to choose Oracle 12c, and maybe I'm running it on Solaris, and just make things interesting, we'll make it Spark. I can scroll down, it shows me what I've selected, and it tells me which versions of the agent will support that combination. I can then go and download those from the FTP. The second tool that we have is the which are agent script. This is a tool that you would use when you have access to the system, or maybe you can send it to the system administrator, have them run this tool, and then get the results from it. You can grab it from the Imperva FTP at the location shown here. So once you download that file, you put it onto a directory in the Unix system, you unpack it with tar xgf, and that gives you this script. You can then run it, and it'll ask you for which version we want to check for. Most of the time, you're going to want to use the latest, and so we just run it with a -v. And that goes out, checks the system, checks the kernel version, platform, and everything, and comes back with the latest version, and it tells you specifically which files you want to download down to the build. And that's the two ways that we have of finding out which agent do I need. You can check it out on the Data Security Coverage tool, or you can download the which are agent and run it on the box. Thanks for your time.